What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a little upgrade on the B2200. Recently got some LED lights because it is so dark at night I cannot see, so this is more of a safety upgrade. But while I was looking on eBay, I found clear plastics for all of the corners of the lights, so I'm gonna install that as well. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. 2 hours later, I got brand new headlights, spray painted my grille, and then go ahead and turn all of the corner plastics into clear. Hopefully you guys like this. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. All that helps my little channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.